uthi-ke u-2199 uma ubuka-ke udonga lolu uqhathanise-ke.
Do you have any comments to make? Is there any difference regarding the background on photo 2199, the wall at the back, as well as the wall on photo 983 that we first showed you?
Lona lesi sithombe ilesi ne u2199. Uthi-ke umbuzo uma ubuka udonga loluya olulesi sithombe u2199 nodonga lolu okulesi sithombe u983 lesiya ebesivezwe ngaphambilini kwalesi, uma ubuka kudonga ukhona yini umehluko? Khuluma ngodonga kuphela.
Udonga mosilona kuya ngokuthi isithombe ushutha kanjani. Angithi lapha kunethi isithombe ngeke ifane. Ungathatha ikhamera manje ngishutha isithombe ngemeso. Ngeke sifane ngelokuze one.
That's a wall, and it all depends on how the position in which you take the picture or the photo. Even if I were to take a photo now of myself, it would not look the same.
Manje ukhathanisa izinto engafani. Ayifani lezinto ezinokuma kwethomba ayifani.
Now I'm asked to compare things that are not the same or that do not look similar.
But sometimes are you prepared to accept that in both two photos that we've shown you, there is a wall in the background?
Ingabe uyimisele yini ukwamukela ukuthi kuzona zoyimbili izithombe esikhombise zona ukuthi ngemuva kunodonga kuzona zoyimbili izithombe lezi, uyimisela ukwamukela lokho?
Indlu banodonga mosibela kusumkhukhu lo yindlu.
A house has a wall. That's not a shack. It's a house.
We know that sometimes what we are presenting to you is the wall on both photos is similar.
Siyakuzwa lokho, sikuphikisi lokho kushoyo, kodwa-ke esikuletha kuwena-ke noma esikusho kuwena ukuthi udonga kulesi sithombe u2199 nodonga loluya olubonakalayo kulesiya isithombe u983 ukuthi-ke udonga olufanayo.
Cha, upendo wakho nawufana.
No, the paint is sorry.
Owalo isithombe upendo wakho strong. Lona uyabona phaphathekile.
No, the paint is not the same. The previous photo, you are able to see that there the paint is strong. Here, the paint you can see that it's peeled off, peeled off. Okay, show. Awuphinde.
Angiyazi ngithi mangithi uphaphathekile nopende mhlawumbe ngingathenga. Awuqamile kahle.
Okay.
Awuphufudikile.
Yeah.
Lokho uzophaphathekile.
The paint in the previous photo, it's a paint that you are able to see that it is strong. But this is not like a paint that is clear or like in bright.
Can we then just leave this point on this fact that in both photos the background shows a wall?
Uma singasuka nje sisuke ke noma sidlule kulokho, kodwa ke ingaba singasho nje uma sidlula ke ukuthi ke ngasemuva kuzona zoyimbili izithombe kunodongo lukhona.
Mina ngaze ngikuphe kodwa udonga lo senkandla.
I've never disputed that. That's a wall, my lord.
Can we then have a look at page 2385, still exhibit 6, 2385, 5471.
Fine.
status of this file indicates that the file was deleted. We went through this yesterday. The metadata shows that it was taken on the 27th of April 2020.
Lana ke imininingwane evelayo ke ukuthi isithombe lesi isithombe esasidilithiwe nokuthi ke isithombe esathwetshulwa ngazo i27 ka April 2020.
And yesterday you commented rightly so that that was before your arrest on the 16th of June 2020.
Izolo ke izolo ushilo ke ukuthi lesha isikhathi noma le date ke kwakungaphambi kokuboshwa kwakho nge16 ka June.
Cha sekuyashintsha namhlanje.
No, today is changing.
Sewuyashintsha. Lethi sithombe leso ukhuluma ngaso leso. Uthewela kimi ngesa 2021 ngaze ngakubuza mina ngathi ngiphume ejele ngawushutha umfowethu ekhaya ngaphinde ngabuyela ejele na.
Yesterday,
Sewuyashintsha namhlanje.
now you are changing. Yesterday you said that this particular picture was taken in 2021. I even asked, did I leave prison, go and take a photo of my brother and then came back to prison again? Today you are changing.
No.
Ngize ngatshena mina icourt ngathi sisithombe lesila kuleli phepha ngiliphethe asinayo date ama date afana nalawo waqofa icomputer wacima waveza ama date alesi sithombe lesi.
I even indicated to the court that here on the picture in front of me, there are no dates like they are indicated there. And then that's when Mr. Sibanda then pressed his laptop and then those dates appeared.
Namhlanje sekuyashintsha mase ukuthi isithombe sami ngilokhuza futhi.
Today now there is a change.
Mr. Mtanzi, there's no change. Yesterday we read the metadata as it appears there on the screen. We indicated to you that according to the metadata, this photo was taken on the 27th of April 2020.
Akukho kushintshile mnumzana uNtanzi, sikufunde ngale ndlela ekungayo lapha yana ukuthi isithombe lesi isithombe sange 27 ka April 2020.
Cha ukhuluma iqiniso ngiyaphinda for ngithi mina sewuyatshintsha manje lapha ecourt. Lesi sithombe mina ungitshele saka 2021 ngathi mina umfowethu lo lesi sithombe sa 2020 mangingaphosisi lapha ecourt. Ngamalete malanga corona bekudlala ibhola ufana ubekhona ekhaya edlala ibhola.
No, you are not telling the truth. You said yesterday that the photo was taken in 2021. I then said that the photo was taken around 2020 during the COVID times. I even mentioned that this boy is a prominent football player back home.
Mina ngize ngatshena ikhona ngathi inkosi enkantolo mina bengisejele. Shuthi ngiphuma ejele ngawushutha umfowethu ngaphinde ngabela ejele. Wasuka lapho na wathi isikhathi sambili ikhoda iguqa emveni ngalokho.
I even said or asked the court, did I leave prison to go and take a photo of my brother and then went back to prison again? And then that's when you then said that we were out of time, so you then asked for the court to adjourn.
The record is there, it will speak for itself, but the position is as we put it to you. But be that as it may, the point that you want to make here, or to establish from you, Mr. Mtanzi, do you agree that this photo has got nothing to do with the case at all?
Ingabe uyavuma yini ukuthi isithombe lesi akukho okuhlanganisa isithombe necala leli?
Zonke lezithombe zama zikho zidumisa necala lesi.
All of them, including my pictures, they've got nothing to do with this case.
Number 1, lapha ecourt ukhipha ithombe za 2020, 2021, 2020, 2018, 2019. Awukho into etshela icourt ngeteka 2014 lapha ecourt.
Number 1, the photos that you are showing to court 2020, 2018, 2019, there's nothing that you told the court about 2014.
Ngisho phone number ifone yami ephambi kwecourt is 2018 not 2014.
Even my phone number, which is before the court, is a phone number of 2018 and not 2014.
Utshena icourt wathi mina ngixhumana no Ashuzi nami. Namanje ayikho into engikhombisana phambi kwecourt uthi nabu ufakazi uthi wena uxhumana noMncube, uxhumana noMaphisa, uxhumana noNtuli. Ayikho into engikhombisana phambi kwecourt.
You even informed the court that I had contact with the co-accused, but there is nothing that has been shown or that you are showing me to say here is proof that you are contacting Mube, you are contacting Mapisa, you are contacting Mtuli.
Ingakho yokumile phambi kwenkosi enkantolo ukuthi angizazi ukuthi ngimeleni nokuthi mina ngibulela usenzo akaze ngibulale Senzo.
As I'm standing here, I don't know why I'm standing here. You allege that I killed Senzo. I never killed Senzo.
Ikhotho itshela ukuthi siyabulela usenzo ngo-2014 but mina ngithethe icala 2018, 2019, 2020.
You informed the court that we killed Senzo, but here now I'm answering to 2018, 2019, 2020.
Mr. Mtanzi, as far as the communication with other accused is concerned, we did indicate to you that we will get to the hospital. So the fact of the matter, you concede, after all this long explanation that you've given, that this photo that we are showing you on page 2385 has got nothing to do with this.
Ngokumayelana ke nokuxhumana kwakho nabanye abasola seshilo ukuthi siseza ke kulokho kodwa ke emuva kwayo yonke ke lempendulo ende onikeze ngayo uyavuma ke ukuthi isithombe lesi esikhombisa sona esikule page u2385 ukuthi akukho okusihlanganisa necala leli.
Ngithi mina phambi kwenkosi enkantolo zonke lezithombe zami akukho okudonsa necala likaSenzo.
I am saying that all of the photos, including my photos, there is nothing, they have nothing to do with Senzo's matter.
So we focusing now on this specific photo on 2385. You concede that it's not related to the case. It's got nothing to do with the case.
Si lana ke siqale kulesi sithombe sikhuluma ngalesi sithombe uyavuma ukuthi isithombe lesi akukho okusihlanganisa necala leli.
Nkosi enkantolo ngithi nezami izithombe azikho ezidonsa nokufa kukaSenzo.
My Lord, I am saying even my pictures, they have nothing to do with the death of Senzo.
Njengamanje why usithatha wasibeka ecourt mawuthe asifuneke lapha ecourt asikho sidonsa nokufa kukaSenzo why usifaka ecourt?
Right now, why is it that it is now before the court? Why has it been included if it has nothing to do with the matter?
Now, why would anyone who was in possession of your device, as you allege, delete this photo that has got nothing to do with the case?
Beku ngenziwa yini ke ukuthi umuntu owayephethe umakhalekhukhwini wakho abe esedelete noma ke esula isithombe lesi esingenalutho esihlanganisa nalo icala leli.
Mina ngikutshelile namanje sisithombe sidelethiwe zikhona kuFacebook kwami lapha sebegqoka benza ini zikhona lezi zithombe kuFacebook kwami lezi zithombe nithathe kuFacebook kwami hawu uyithathe kuMamori Card akulona iqiniso lokukhuluma.
I am saying that this photo is still there. This photo, it's not true that they were taken from my memory card. These photos are in my Facebook. They are still there.
So are you alleging that these photos were, as you now say, taken from your Facebook page and not from the memory card?
Uthi ke ithombe lesi zathathwa ku Facebook wakho hayi ku memory card.
Ngisho njalo njengalesi nje sikabhuti lo weTombi lo uKhathide lo osebenza ukhosini nisithathe kuFacebook kwami hayi kuMamori Card.
That's what I'm saying, including the picture of the gentleman Katide from Ukozi FM, who is pictured there with ladies. It was also taken from Facebook and not from the memory card.
Lezi kamfoka Majola neyithathe kuFacebook.
Even the ones of the gentleman Majola were taken from Facebook.
But in order for these photos to be on Facebook, they would have had to be on your phone, on your memory card first. Is that not correct?
Kodwa ke ukuthi izithombe lezi zitholakale ku Facebook bekuzofanele qala ukuthi sibe kuyena umakhalekhukhwini wakho kuyona imemory card.
Mina phambi kodwa ngikhuluma ngenzwabe ethi ngikhuluma ngefoni yami wena ukhuluma ngenzwabe ethi into oyitsheliwe uzwile mina ngiyakutshela lento ehlukene lezi.
These are different things. I am not speaking about hearsay or referring to hearsay. What you are saying, it's hearsay, it's what you were told. This is my phone.
You'd have had to download these photos from your phone, from your memory card, for them to be on Facebook. Is that not so?
Kodwa ke bekuzofanele ukuthi ke izithombe lezi ke zikhishwe noma phecelezi ke zidownloadwe ke kuyona imemory card zidownloadwela ke kuyona uFacebook ukuthi zibe ku Facebook.
ukhumbule phambi kokho senkantosi ngitshela amahlandla amaningi ukuthi mina mangiboshwa okokuqala nje ifoni akusho ukuthi itanze cishe ifoni yakhe ifoni yami ihamba ivuliwe khona kanjalo ithathwa ngomhani nomabhena.
You must remember, I said it before this court on quite a number of occasions that when my phone was taken by Mabena and Mukhane, I was never told that Ntanzi switch off your phone.
Nathi namanje ifoni yami kodwa wena ungifundela ama-call efoni yami iko-Pretoria University i-arts i-call kamama i-arts owane ifoni yami ise-Pretoria University.
You also showed me some data from my phone where it was around Pretoria University. My mother's call was answered. Who is it that answered or responded to my mother's call?
Angeke lihlale iphoyisa ifoni yami lingayivuli mina ngiyakutshela ngizothi njengamanje phambi kwecourt ngicala ngilethele ifoni yami ngiyivule iphethini yakho mase ngasiyona bese mina bese ngithini.
There is no way that a police officer would just sit around and not open my phone. If I were to make a request here for my phone to be brought and then punch in my pattern to open it and then my pattern doesn't work and then what?
Sir, can we please ask you kindly to confine your answers to what is being asked?
Ngingacela yini mnumzana uNtanzi ukuthi uphendule lokho okubuzwayo.
We asked you a simple question. You said yesterday that these photos were taken with your phone.
Ushilo izolo ukuthi izithombe lezi zathathwa kusetshenziswa umakhalekhukhwini wakho.
Yebo.
Yes.
So in order for these phones to end up being on your Facebook, they would have had to be downloaded from your phone
Ukuthi
to Facebook.
ukuthi ke izithombe lezi zibe ku Facebook noma zitholakala ku Facebook wakho kufanele qala ke ukuthi ke zidownloadwe kuwona umakhalekhukhwini ukuthi ziyovela ngale ku Facebook.
Angiyizwa kahle le question.
I don't understand the question.
Well, it is a simple question, Baba Ntanzi, is that before the photos can be on your Facebook, they had to be on your phone because they were taken with your phone.
Ngaphambi kokuthi angithi wena uthi izithombe lezi izithombe zika Facebook ne?
Yebo.
Ngaphambi kokuthi izithombe lezi zibe ku Facebook zizoqala zibe kuwona umakhalekhukhwini uqobo ngoba kwasetshenziswa yona iphone ukuthwebula zona izithombe.
Yebo.
Yes.
And you heard that all four experts who testified before this court, Warren Sandrovu, Session Mabasa, Lieutenant Colonel House, Lieutenant Colonel Stain, that using the XRY technique, they can retrieve information that has been deleted on the downloads.
Ubuzwile ubufakazi babo ongoti bobane uMabasa, uNdlovu, uHouse kanye noStain bashilo ukuthi ke kunohlelo abalisebenzisayo ke emaphoyiseni uma bebiza ke bona bathi ke XRY ukuthi ngalo uhlelo lolo bayakwazi ukuthi batholeke lokho okusuliwe noma lokho okudeletiwe ubuzwile ubufakazi babo.
Choma basaza khuluma ngethombe zami bathi akhuluma ngethombe zami bathathu lapha ecourt.
No, Mabasa never made mention of my photos. It's only 3 people who made reference to my photos here in court.
No, we're talking about the technique that they use, the XRY technique to download a cell phone, and that this technique can detect information that has been deleted.
Cha, sikhuluma lana ngohlelo abalisebenzisayo emaphoyiseni ukuthi uma ngaba into ideletiwe bayakwazi bona ukusebenzisa uhlelo lolo ababiza ngokuthi XRY.
Mina ngikwazi.
I don't know about that.
Ngiyakuzwa ngoba ngitshena mina.
I hear as you are informing me.
You have now just commented that the tower indicated on the 26th of June 2020 that your device was in the vicinity of University of Pretoria.
Uqeda ke ukwethula ubufakazi
Came through from your mother.
uqeda ukusho ke manje ukuthi ke iphone yakho ke noma ke itower kunetower eyayicosha iPretoria University.
Maningi amathana ku Fosurus.
There are many towers, including Phosphorus.
mina ngisemaseleni ihamba nobani lapho
When I was in the cells, who was in possession of it?
And you say you were never booked out on the 26th of June 2020.
Uthi ngazo i-26 zika June 2020 awukazi ukhishwe emaseleni.
ngisho njalo angikhumbuli ngiphume emaseleni mina 25 26 angikhumbuli ngiphume emaseleni
That's what I'm saying. I don't remember being taken out of the cells. 25th, the 26th, I don't remember being taken out.
ne-prestige futhi angisayikhumbuli ukuthi ngangikiphi leso sikhathi leso
I can't even recall as to which police station was I in at the time.
Have you ever been detained at Brooklyn Police Station?
Ingabe wake wayini e-police station yase-Brooklyn?
mina lapho ekodini ngithele noma police station ngihlale kuyi-4 khona engingayazi igama layo
I said here that I was kept at 4 police stations. There is this particular one whose name is unknown to me.
Is at Brooklyn Police Station.
Kungaba le ungayazi iyona i-Brooklyn.
angazi noma uyangitshela wena ngithi angiyazi police station igama layo
I don't know whether you are putting that to me. I'm saying I don't know the name.
Yes, we're just trying to establish from you, Mr. Mtanzi, that you say you don't know the other police station. We inquire from you, is that Brooklyn Police Station that you don't know?
Nanjengoba usho uthi wena awuyazi sizama-ke sizama ukuthola kuwena ukuthi-ke kungenzeka yini ukuthi kungaba yi-Brooklyn Police Station leyo.
cha ngeke ngisho phambi kwasekatolo ukuthi yona mina ngiyazi igama layo mina
No, I wouldn't say before the court that that is the police station. I don't know the name.
Well, we will confront you with information that shows that on the 26th of June 2020, you were detained at Brooklyn Police Station.
Khona-ke sizokukhombisa kona-ke okuyinkomba-ke noma-ke okubufakazi-ke bokuthi ngazo i-26 kaJune i-police station okuyona kwakuyi-Brooklyn.
yebo ngingajabula ngakubona
I'd be happy to see that.
konke nje nokwasevereni ukuthi evereni yangene nini futhi ngiyakujabula ngakufuna lo
All of that, including Valeria, or just to see as to when was I booked in Valeria.
nokuphuma kwami ngePretoria North Pretoria North very ngiyacela konke
Even when I was taken out to Pretoria North, all of that, I'm asking for that.
And it's a known fact that Brooklyn Police Station is next to the University of Pretoria.
Kuyinto eyaziwayo-ke ukuthi i-police station yase-Brooklyn iseduze nenyuvesi yase-Pitoli.
cha mina ngikwazi ukuqala ukuzwa ngayo
No, I don't know that. I'm hearing it for the first time from you.
nalapha ekhodi ngiqala ukuzwa ngoba ukukhuluma namhlanje
Even here in court, I'm hearing it for the first time as you are saying it.
Now, just to summarize on this point regarding the photos that we have shown you that were taken on the 24th September 2020 according to the metadata, 12th November 2020,
Just a
and
moment.
23 November 2020,
Can you remember, sorry, Judge, can you remember 24 September?
2020,
Yes.
12th November 2020, and 23 November 2020.
Ukufinyeza-ke kulona-ke udaba lolu esesikhulume ngazo-ke ngalo lwazo iy'thombe ezathwetshulwa-ke ngeyi-24 September 2020, 12 November 2020 kanye neyi-23 November 2020.
We have showed you 6 photos that were taken on the 24th of September 2020.
Sikhombise iy'thombe eziyisithupha ezathwetshulwa ngazo i-24 zika September 2020,
of which 3 were deleted.
ey'ntathu zazo-ke zasula noma-ke zadilithwa.
We have showed you 5 photos that, according to the metadata, were taken on the 12th of November 2020.
Sase sikhombisa-ke iy'thombe ey'nhlanu ezathathwa-ke ngeyi-12 zikaNovember 2020.
And all those 5 photos were deleted according to the metadata.
Futhi-ke ngokwemininingwane-ke yazo iy'thombe lezo-ke zonhlanu-ke iy'thombe lezo zadilithwa.
For the 23rd of November 2020, we have showed you one photo.
Ngeyi-23 zikaNovember 2020 sikhombise isithombe esisodwa.
So we've shown you altogether 12 photos for this period that I've just mentioned.
Isikhathi lesi-ke engiqeda ukusisho kuwena-ke 24 September 2020, 12 November 2020, 23 November 2020 ihlangeneke iy'thombe esikhombise zona iy'thombe eziwu-12.
And your version, Babantanzi, was always that you don't dispute that these photos were taken with your with a device identical to yours.
Inkulumo yakho wena-ke uthi-ke awuphikisi ukuthi-ke iy'thombe lezi zathwetshulwa kusetshenziswa-ke umakhalekhukhwini ofanayo nowakho.
All that you are disputing are the dates.
Okuphikisayo wena ama-dates.
Yebo nesikhathi.
Yes, as well as the time.
And are you prepared to concede that all these 12 photos, according to the metadata thereof, indicated they were taken whilst you were in custody?
Ingabe uyimisele yini ukwamukela ukuthi ngokwemininingwane nanjengoba ubona uma kunesithombe uba nemininingwane obhalwayo-ke ukuthi ngabe uyimisele yini ukwamukela ukuthi ngokwemininingwane ukuthi ngesikhathi sokuthwetshula noma sokuthathwa kwazo iy'thombe lezi wena wawusejele?
Akulona iqiniso lelo.
That's not true.
And ungifunza amagama mina, ngicela ungangifunza amagama emlonyeni.
And you are putting words in my mouth. Please don't put words in my mouth.
Which was that we put in your mouth?
Imaphi amagama engikufunze wona emlonyeni?
La nathi mina ithombe ngishuthe sengiboshwe, ithombe eshuthe mangaboshwe. Uyangifunza mesho njalo.
Where you are saying that I took the pictures when I was in custody. The pictures were taken before my arrest. In doing so, that you are putting words in my mouth.
Mr. Ntazi, I don't know if there's a communication problem, but we never said that all that we're doing, all that we said is that according to the metadata, it shows that they were taken whilst you were in prison, according to the metadata.
Angazi noma kukhona-ke mhlambi-ke ukudideka lana-ke kuyona inkulumo yini noma khona ukungazwani kwinkulumo esikushoyo ukuthi ngokwemininingwane asithi wena ngokwemininingwane ebhaliwe lana angithi isithombe nesithombe asibone la just a moment iloko sikhuluma ngaloko iloko abathi-ke ngesilungu i-metadata ngokwale mininingwane lena le mininingwane ithi iy'thombe lezi zathwetshulwa hhayi ukuthi zathwetshulwa wena kodwa zathathwa noma zathwetshulwa ngesikhathi wena usejele.
Is it not the court, Madam?
No, I refuse.
This is an injustice, my lord. Because there's no way in the metadata where it is stated that these photos were taken, captured on this particular date. All that is stated in the metadata are some terminologies such as created, accessed, modified, and all those things. There is nothing in the metadata, as I'm saying, I'm repeating it, it may sound repetitive, but it's an emphasis that says that these photos were taken or captured or shot on this particular date. And if the state says that they were taken on this particular date, on whose version is that? Is it the state's version or is Mr. Ndlovu's version? Because Mr. Ndlovu said photos that were deleted, and the state has said that almost all the photos that he has mentioned, which are 12 photos, a number of them were deleted. And Mr. Ndlovu said, and I've mentioned this yesterday, that if a photo gets deleted, you're no longer able to trace back or to get back the information relating to the metadata. That comes from the prosecution itself, not from the person who worked on the photo. So that is a very unfair question. Unless the state stand up and say, in this metadata, this is the weight, capture, shot, or taken on this particular date. There's nowhere where that is indicated in this metadata, my lord.
Yes.
We are not going to rehash our argument. We've been through this regarding the evidence of warrant officer Ndlovu. We have put this proposition to you and we leave it for argument, but suffice to say that according to the metadata as interpreted by warrant officer Ndlovu, would indicate that the photos were taken on dates when you were in custody.
Asizibasa kubeka naloko bese kushilo kukwena kodwa nje esikushoyo ukuthi ngokubufakazi bakhe warrant officer Ndlovu ukuthotyulwa kwezithombe kwenzeka ngesikhathi wena usejele.
Ngithi akulona iqiniso la.
I'm saying that's not true.
And your version is that the metadata has been changed on these photos.
Eyakho inkulumo ithi imininingwane kule ithombe lezi yashintshwa noma ishintshiwe.
Ngisho nje izithombe za 2020 mangibuye emakhaya noma kwe corona.
That's what I'm saying. The photos are photos of 2020 when I was coming back from the home, sorry, from the homestead during COVID times.
Futhi okwesibili lezi ithombe lezi mina ngichazile kodwa mangibuye ekhaya ngibuye nginenwele ekhaya ngafika basembe ngaye medical ngabepho ngagudwa ngase ngizoya emgodini.
And I said this before the court that when I came back from the homestead, I had hair, and then I went to, when I got to Rustenburg, I went for medical. I then had to shave because I was about to go back to the mine.
Ngoba izathu futhi sezothi izithombe ngokuthi nishithi date. Oba uNdlovu khona ithomba iveze lapha ecourt zingena date othi date azinayo. Manje eningi lezi ubaba uNdlovu ayiveze wathi ayinama date. Zibuya manje kuwe nobabusibanda sezinama date.
And the reason why I am saying that the metadata here has been changed is because photos that were beamed here during Warrant Officer Ndlovu's testimony, they had no dates on them. But now when they come back with you and Dr. Sibanda, now there are dates next to the photos.
We have already put it to that these photos that are shown to you come from the raw data of your downloads.
Bese sishilo ke kuwena ukuthi ithombe lezi esikhombisa zona ke ithombe ke ezibuya kuona ke umakhalekhukhwini amagama ke ithombe eza downloadwa kuona umakhalekhukhwini uqobo.
Mina ngithe ithombe zasekhona efonini wathi umshushisi bathi wona zayideletiwe lezi ithombe ekhona efonini bathi wona zayideletiwe. Ubaba uNdlovu mayekhuluma la uthe ithombe zayideletiwe. Ukuthi ngangizwa kahle lapha ekhona.
If I heard correctly here in court, Warrant Officer Ndlovu said that the photos were deleted from my phone. And I kept on saying that these photos are still there. They are on my phone. And even the state said that the photos were deleted from my phone.
But moving on, is your version now that these 12 photos that we have shown you, that someone decided to choose these 12 photos according to you, to choose the 12 photos out of the downloads of 545,471, chose these 12 photos to change the metadata thereof. Is that your version?
Ingabe kubufakazi bakho yini? Ukuthi kule ithombe lezi uyabona la kunale number lana ethi ke u5471 ithombe eza download noma ke ezatholakala kumakhalekhukhwini wakho. Ingabe kubufakazi bakho ke manje ukuthi kulelo nani lelo ke ka 5471 umuntu loyo nanje ngoba uthi ke kunomuntu ke okuyena ke owayesebenzisa ifoni yakho wakhetha lezi eziwu12 kule ithombe eziwu5471.
Ngizokuphendula kamhlophe futhi mama Nkosenkandla. Izizathu esenza ukuthi ukhetheleze ithombe. Akuthola utshela ikhonto na 2014 ngangenetshela. Ngiyakutshela 2014 ngangenatshela. That's why ukhetheleze ithombe.
I will answer that very clearly before the court. The reason why you chose these particular photos, it's because you are claiming or alleging that in 2014 I had a beard.
Isithombe sami. So isithombe sami sa 2013 sikhona kuwe. Asinatshela. Awuyikhombisi ikhonto.
And in 2014 I had no beard, and there is a photo of 2013 that you have or that you are in possession of, and you are not showing that photo to the court where I don't have a beard.
Isithombe sami semayini sikhona kuwe. Awuyikhombisi ikhonto.
I have a photo where I'm at the mine. You are not showing the court that photo.
Ukhetha lezi ngoba wazi ukuthi ufuna ukutshela ikhonto ukhulume ingalo leqiniso ukuthi na 2014 ngangenetshela. Ingakho ukhetha lezi ithombe.
Now you are showing the court these photos, you with the narrative to the court that in 2014 I had a beard. That is why you chose these particular photos.
So the original question was, is it your version that 12 photos were selected out of a download of 5471 to change the metadata there? Is it your version?
Umbuzo uthi ingabe ubufakazi bakho yini ukuthi kuyithombe eziwu 5471 kwase kukhethwa lezi eziwu 12 izithombe ukuthi kushintshwe futhi imininingwane phecelezi ke lo abathi ngesilungu metadata.
Ngiyaphela.
An unfair question, my lord. Very unfair. It is the state who introduced these photos here. What criteria did the state decide upon in the introduction of these photos? That will not be in the mind of this witness here, my lord. That question, the state must ask itself that question and give an answer to it, because it is the state that decided to have a cross-examination on this witness using that set of 12 photos out of the 5,471 photos. How would this witness then know that? Why did the state decide to use these 12 photos? Or somebody else? Who's that somebody else? Because this is it's a criteria that the state decided on their own to cross-examine this witness on the basis of those 12 photos. That is a very unfair question. In other words,
That question is allowed.
it is allowed, madam.
Yes.
Thank you.
Is it your version?
Ingabe inkulumo yakho yini le ngitshele njena ke ubamnise bethi ke cha umbuzo lona ke uzokwazi kanjani ke wena ngoba umbuso okhethe ukuthi ke usebenzise izithombe lezi inkantolo ithi ke uyavunyelwa ke leyo mbuzo umshushisi uyabuza ke ngabe inkulumo yakho yini ukuthi kule izithombe lezi eziyi 5471 kukhethwe lezi eziyi 12 kwase kushintshwa futhi nemininingwane ehambisana nazo izithombe.
Akuqala Nkosenkandla ngangingekho mina ithombe kadala lodwa.
Firstly, my lord, I was not there when the photos were downloaded.
Ukuthi bona bathe sifuna lezi asifuni lezi ngangingekho futhi.
As to whether they said we want these ones, you don't want these ones, I was also not there.
Mina ithombe ngibone seyifakwa lapha kweNkosenkandla.
I only saw the photos when they were shown here before the court.
Ingakho nje ngiphendula phambi kweNkosenkandla ukuthi ngoba ekhethele izithombe kunetshebe za 2020, 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018. Ingoba ethe ecourt mina nganginetshebe 2014.
Hence, I am saying, my lord, the reason why then these particular photos were chosen, where I have a beard, that is now 2018, 2019, 2020, it is because of the narrative by the state that in 2014 I had a beard.
Manje ingakho bona bekhetheleze phambi kweNkosenkandla ingakho nje izithombe lezi nishithi idate akusiyi date yazo.
That is why these photos are before the court. That is why you change the dates. These are not the dates of the photos.
Mr. Ntanzi, I suppose you are aware that you are at liberty to engage a digital forensic expert to back up your claims.
Ngicabanga angazi noma uyazi yini ukuthi ke ungahlangana yini nongoti osebenza ngako lokho ukuthi ke aqinisekise lenkulumo yakho oyishoyo. Angazi nokuthi yakwazi ukuthi ungakwenza yini lokho ukuthi ke ungahlangana nongoti abe eseqinisekisa lenkulumo yakho oyishoyo.
Uzobe elethwa yimi noma ngoyini.
would that person come on my account or will the state bring that person?
angithi ama-expert afikile lapha yi-3 akhuluma ngey'thombe zami
3 experts came to court and spoke about my photos.
akhuluma izinto ey'ngafani ey'hlukene 3
And 3 experts said different things.
The court state has called this aspect, you are aware that you are at liberty to engage your own digital aspect regarding these claims that you're making that the metadata of the photos were changed.
Engikushoyo kuwena ukuthi yebo nanjengoba usho ukuthi istate isibize ama-expect amathathu. Engikushoyo-ke noma engifisa ukwazi kuwena ukuthi nanjengoba umbuso bebize ama-expect ingabe uyazi yini ukuthi nawe-ke uvumelekile ukuthi nawe ubize owakho ungoti ukuqinisekisa inkulumo yakho ukuthi imininingwane ishintshiwe?
cha lokho akufuni yena lokho kufuna ummeli wami akufuni yena angayikho into engidibanisa nayo.
No, that's none of your business. That's something that my legal representative will take care of.
ngoba mina ummeli wami ngihlalele phazana lezi y'thombe sathatha isinqumo sokwenza njalo egcine lokho okufuna wena akufuni mina akufuni wena lokufuna mina nommeli wami.
Because myself and my legal representative sat down and we consulted as to what it is that we are going to do. So that is none of your business. That is something that myself and my legal rep will take care of.
We just mentioning that to Babanda.
Siyakusho nje lokho kuwena Mnumzane Ntanzi.
cha mina ngiyaphila enkosikazi ngihlanganise niksi nawo into engithetha nobaba uMsipili hayi nawo.
I'm repeating it that I have no business with you. I have everything to do with Mr. Ramusipile and not you.
Thank you.
Siyabonga.
We just want to look at a series of photos. But before we do that, we just want to show you, which we've already done, the extract of your Section 25 record on the number ending 6890, which serve as exhibit DD 5 in bracket E in bracket 1.
Kuneyithombe ke esifisa ukuthi sikhombise zona ke kodwa ngaphambili kokuthi senze lokho ke sifuna ke ukuthi sibheke ke lobufakazi lokhu phecelezi ke usection 205 mayelana nayo ke inamba yakho egcina ngayo u6890 ekuyinto le ebese siyenzile ke.
We wish to draw your attention to page 9 of 301, case ID 103-1224. You'll see that your cell phone records indicate that your number ending 6890 on the 26th of March 2020 at 11:25:28 received an incoming call lasting 20 seconds and that the tower was Freedom Park, NGA1. Freedom Park 80, NGA1.
Uzobona ke ngazo i26 ku March 2020 isikhathi 11:28 nama seconds awu 28 yathola ucingo ke itower ke evelayo lapha yawu 2G Freedom Park NGA 80 NGA 1.
And that's your number ending 6890 on the 27th of March 2020, just after midnight, 00:12:38. Was in the vicinity, the device was in the vicinity of 3G protocol of UNKZN.
Nokuthi ke ngazo i27 ku March 2020 inamba yakho egcina ngayo u6890 eseshayileke u12 maphakathi nobusuku u00:12:38 itower ke ekhombisayo lapha u3G kohlokolo U9 KZN.
Now, earlier on in cross-examination, you've indicated that these are the times when you left Freedom Park in Rustenburg and the time when you arrived at your home village in Kotlokolo, is that correct?
Kubufakazi bakho ngaphambili ushilo ukuthi kwakuyinkathi lezi ke owawusuka ngazo ke khona eRustenburg uhamba ke ude usuze uyofika ke emakhaya kwaSokolo. Uthi ke iy'nkathi lezi ekhulunywa ngazo nanjengoba angithi siqale la nge-26 kaMarch 2020 isikhathi 11:25:28 ikhombisa iFreedom Park bese kuthi la nge-27 March 2020 ngo-12 sekushaye u-12 ngaphakathi nobusuku ikhombisa kohlokolo. Uthi ke ngaphambilini kubufakazi bakho ushilo ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi lesiyana ke wawusendleleni wawuhamba uye emakhaya.
Cha, akamsukuphambanisa apha sikhulume indlela ezehlukene zethu. Ngithe okokuqala Nkosi enkantolo angisayikhumbula idate engahamba ngayo ngalesikhathi kuthiwa kuyavalwa akusafuneki umuntu ophithizela ngamalanga ecorona.
Please don't confuse things. Firstly, what I said here is that I can't remember the dates, the exact or specific dates when it was now said that it was a shutdown, that there were no movements during the COVID times.
Idate engikhulume ngayo ngikhulume nge-23 zika December 23 last ilanga lokugcina emsebenzini ngakutshela ifoni yami osuyibala nge-23 izothi Rustenburg, Johannesburg, wabiza ne-Tower Display View yathi Fosola sithi Bar futhi Middelburg and Deal izizongena ekhaya kwanongoma.
The date that I made mention of was the 23rd of December. That is when I said that it would then, the towers of Vosloorus, you even mentioned the Spruit View, Balfour, Middelburg, up until it gets home kwanongoma.
Manje leno ngibuza wona ngasho phambi Nkosi enkantolo angikhumbula ukuthi ngihambe nini lapha kuthiwa ilanga lokugcina kusafuneka umuntu ophinda ilamalanga ekholwa ngikhumbula ukuthi ngiye ngaliphi ilanga ekhaya.
Now, the dates that you've just mentioned now, I did say that I cannot remember as to when was the last day when now it was now like in a shutdown and I traveled home.
But the information that you're referring to, which according to the section 2.5, you're passing amongst others, that was for a different period, 2019. We're talking about 2020.
Kodwa ke isikhathi lesi wena manje ukhuluma ngaso sange 23 zika December is u2019 lo manje lana sikhuluma ngo2020.
Ngishilo ngathi azange simeshine isikhathi idate engahamba ngayo mnyaka sembe ukuthi uzazi ingalo lapha phambi Nkosi enkantolo.
I did say that I never made mention of the time. It's only the date that I mentioned here in court as to when did I leave Rustenburg.
Yes, what was the date?
Kwakuyiphi?
Namanje ngithemba idate angisayikhumbula ukuthi kwakuthiwa kugcinwa nini movement ayisafuneka ngithe ngisakhumbula.
I did say that I cannot recall as to what was said as to when was it or when was the shutdown exactly.
And this is a well-known fact that it was during the time when the epidemic was experienced in South Africa.
Kuyinto esiyazi kuyinto ke eyazekayo ke ukuthi isikhathi lesi esibhale la ukuthi isona ke kwakuyisona isikhathi secorona lesi.
Mina corona ngiyazi yaqala nini.
I don't know when it started.
But don't bother about it. All that we are saying, Babantas, is that according to the section 2.5, they indicate that on the 26th of March 2020, 11:25:28, the tower was Freedom Park, and on 27 March 2020, 00:12:38, the base station that your device made contact with is protocol president.
Kodwa ke kubona konke lokho esikushoyo nje yilokho ukuthi nge-26 nanjengoba isho ikhombisa la 26 March 2020 isikhathi 11:25:28 itower ekhomsayo noma ke yayicosha iFreedom Park kwase kuthi nge-27 March 2020 isikhathi u-00:12:38 u-12 lona maphakathi nobusuku itower ikohlo 3G kohlokolo U9 KZN iloko esikushoyo. Yes, I see it.
And if you turn the page over, page 4 of 38, case ID 103-1225, it indicates that from the 27th March 2020 up up until 8 June 2020, the device was in the Kotlokolo area.
Manje ke uma udlula ke usuka ke la usuya kule page ke ukhumbuleke ukuthi la nge 27 March 2020 ikhombisa kohlokolo uze kule page ke ihambe ke izofica la nge 8 June 2020. So ukusuka ngazi 27 March 2020 kuyofika nge 8 June 2020 ikhombisa kohlokolo.
Uyabona kuwa.
Yes, I see that.
And that on the 8th of June 2020 at 18:07:49, the device makes contact with the Freedom Park 80 NGA tower.
Asekuthi ke ngazo i8 ku June 2020 ila khona ke umakhalekhukhwini ke i-tower eqoshayo ke i-Freedom Park 80 NGA.
Uyabona kuwa.
Yes, I see it.
So in other words, Babantan, is that from 27 March 2020 up to 8 June 2020, you were at your home village in Kotlokolo.
Eh.
According to the Section 25 data.
Uma sibuka lana ke kuzoba iqiniso yini ke ukuthi ke kusuka ngazo i27 March 2020 kwayoshaya ke i8 June 2020 ukuthi ke wawusemakhaya nanjengoba ikhombisa la.
Ngiyakubona ngendlela okubhala ngakho khomba kodwa ngesemakhaya ade kwayikhona noma kungasetshenzwa.
I see it according to how it is written that I was back home and it was also during the COVID times, so no, we were not allowed to work.
We are going to show you certain photos because metadata shows that they were taken during this period.
Kuneyithombe ke esizokukhombisa zona ke imininingwane eshoyo ke noma ekhombisayo ke ukuthi ithombe lezo zathwetshulwa ngaso isikhathi lesi.
If you can turn to the first photo that we want to show you is page 21 of 5471, exhibit 6.
Nasike soqala ilesi page 21.
We just want to show it on the screen.
Yes.
Can you identify the person on the photos?
Ingabe uyambona umuntu osesithombeni lesi?
Yebo ngiyambona.
Yes, I can.
We see that there are 3 photos.
Siyabona ukuthi kuneyithombe ezintathu
Where these photos also combined.
ingabe nazo izithombe lezi zahlanganiswa.
Zihlanganisiwe.
They were combined.
Kodwa singathi isithombe isithombe sodwa sihlanganisiwe. Yabona imeno yenze so. So
There is no-
isithombe lesimawusibuka izandla zami zenze so. Singathi isithombe sodwa sihlanganisiwe sakhatha.
Let's not say it's 3 photos, it's 1 photo, because if you see as to how I'm holding my hands, it's 1 photo.
Umehluko nje ukuthi ngibuka esinye ngibuka phambili lesi 2 ngibuka phambili lesinye ngibuka eceleni.
The only difference is that on the 1 photo, I'm looking on the side, and then on the 2 photos, I'm looking right in front of me.
Right, and they indicate, if you look at the metadata site, it says file name. It shows in short, in other words, that the photos were combined on the 30th March 2020.
Lana ke khombisa ke ukuthi izithombe zahlanganiswa nge-30 kuMarch 2020.
Do you perhaps remember as to when the photos were taken?
Ingabe usakhumbula yini ukuthi zathathwa nini izithombe lezi?
lezi thombe ngithe phambi kwakho kodwa mangikhumbula kahle yabo la kungamaranga corona la kubo kamashefa.
I remember I said before the court that this was during the COVID times. Here it's at Mashefa's place.
Ngoba la mahlela umashefa nabashana bakhe khona undlanga amandla khona uthabisa ingane yakho umfana wakho umashefa. Umashefa ukhona naye la uhleli ngapha eceleni emthunzini.
Because where I'm seated, Mashefa was there, Mashefa's nephew was there, it's Dlanga Mandla, Notabi,
Nothabisa umfana kamashefa.
as well as Tabisa, who is Mashefa's son. Mashefa is seated on the side, on the photo.
Could the photo have been taken around 27 March 2020?
Kungenzeka yini ukuthi isithombe lesi sathutshuka ngabo 27 March 2020?
Kusenkantolo mina azange ngibuka idate mangishuthi isithombe ayikho into ngathi ngigadile or ayikho into engigadile ngedate mina.
I never looked at the date when I took the photo because there was nothing that I would say that I was keeping guard on that or that I was looking out for.
Isithombe kuphela ngesibona ukuthi lapha kusegcekeni kubo kwabani ibhench lesahleli kulo.
It's only the photo that I see as to whose premises those are and where was, as well as the bench where I'm seated.
The equipment made is Samsung equipment model J260F.
Makhalekhukhwini is Samsung, ukuthi uluphi uhlobo i SMJ260F.
Lapha ekhodi ngeke ngachaza kaningi ngathi lezi iSamsung bekinami J5 lezi za J26 what amina ngizazi ukuthi phone ibizwa ngane ngaphakathi.
I did make mention before the court that I had a Samsung, or the phone that I had was a Samsung, but the where it says equip model and then SMJ260F, I know nothing about those particulars.
Lezi ithombe zefone yami angitshela ithombe nini ngishutha ngefone yami.
These photos are photos that were taken with my phone. The majority of the photos, I took them using my phone.
Manje iyangimangaza mase ukuthi manje usungifundela la legama le G260F ayisafani nale ngapha yona into le engimangaza ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani ngapha kwenzakalani.
Now, it comes as a surprise to me now when you are now reading out these details, the SMJ260F. It's now not the same as what was read on this side, which then comes as a surprise to me as to what is happening on this side and what is happening here.
Shows the date and time 2020 or 3:30, 15:35:29.
Now, yeah, get date 2020, get date is March 15:35 iskhathi ama-second out 29.
And the date created 31 March 2020, 18:12:09.
Lana-ke bathi-ke ilanga-ke isithombe sathathwa ngalo noma-ke senziwa ngayo 2020 03:31 isikhathi 18:12:09.
Access 2020 03:31 00:00:00.
Sokuthi-ke isikhathi-ke noma-ke idate kwangena ngaso kusona isithombe noma-ke sabukwa ngayo 2020 31:03 u-12 fika maphakathi nobusuku.
So the fact of the matter, Babantan, is that the photos were taken before your, or are you prepared to comment on your looks regarding the hair and the beard?
Ingabe imisele yini-ke ukuthi kube nenkulumo noma kube khona okushoyo yini ngendlela abuka ngayo sikhuluma ngey'nwele kanye futhi nayo intshebe.
Enwele. Akusiyitshebe le tshentshana ngesizulu. Itshebe nganye itshebe nathi kuba kuramsiphi mose thu itshebe nathi lele tshentshana.
If you are referring to a beard, that is what Mr. Ramusipile has. That is just a little beard. That's not a beard.
Makuthiwa yini ngesizulu ikumo lusahluma yiyo lento leyitshebe isahluma.
It's what is being called in isiZulu is sahluma. It's a little beard.
And the hair?
It's still growing.
The hair?
Inwele zona.
Ngangifika mosekhaya lapha. Ngangena ngisho amalanga amaningi ngifikile.
I had just arrived home. I was not even there for some days. I had just arrived home.
Angisanda nje ngangena ngisho itsuku eziningi semakhaya.
I was not there for days. I had just arrived.
Uthe ekhaya ngiye nge-26. Z30 njalo asibale.
You said that I went home on the 26th. So let's count because here it indicates the 30th.
Now, if you compare the photo that you've just shown earlier on and this one, do you have any comment regarding your appearance regarding the hair?
Uma ungaqhathanisa isithombe lesi nalesa esiqeda ukukhombisa sona ke kukhona ongakusho mayelana ke nezinwele.
Zithombe ehlukene lezayifana.
These are different photos. They are not the same.
Angeke uqhathanise inkomo emnyama nebomvu ayifana.
You won't be able to compare two cows of two different colors. They are not the same.
Emnyama.
If it's red, it's red. If it's black, it's black.
Manje kuMarch lesi sithombe salabo mangibuye ekhaya ngoJune. Izinto ehlukene lezi. April, May, June.
The other one is March. Here it's when I was coming back from home around June. So it's different types because it was March, April, May, June.
Mina noma manje phambi kokuthi mangasongeke inwele zami ngakubalela lenyanga ngibaleza ngale nyanga elandelayo uzoyibona izoba zingangana.
Even now, if I were to make an example of with my hair now, if I were to leave them now, this month, the next month, then that other month, you will see how they would look like.
The next photo that we wish to show you is on page 747 of 5471. Slow, I believe. 6. It says file name 2020 0411. Well, first, can you just identify the person on the photo?
Mamchazo umuntu sesithombeni lesi 747.
Yeah, wesithombe sawo.
Yes, it's my photo.
And it says equipment make, Samsung equipment model SMJ500F.
Iyanikeza ke noma iyayisho imininingwane lapha ukuthi iSamsung SMJ 500F.
And it says the original time and date 2020 04 11 14 05 33.
Isikhathi ke 2020 04 11 14 05 33.
And it says PAP DCIM stroke camera, indicating that the photo was taken with a particular camera.
Sorry.
From a
Lana-
particular device.
Lana ke iyasho ke ukuthi la uDCIM camera okusho ukuthi ke wasetshenziswa wona kumakhalekhukhwini loyana ukuthwebula isithombe
The camera of the device.
noma icamera yawo umakhalekhukhwini loyo.
You prepared to accept that the date of 11 April 2020 is the date on which the photo was taken.
Ngabe uyimisele yini kwami noma uyamkela yini ukuthi ke 11 April 2020 iyona idate isithombe lesi esathwetshulwa ngayo.
Ngoba ngibona indlu le indlu kamamncane kaNdwandwe le umuzi kababushuzi le. Complete sekhaya lapha enhle khona umuzi kababushuzi.
Yes, because I'm looking at where I'm seated there. That shows is a home. The Mamundwane, no?
Indlela yomamncane mamncane kantwana ushado wakushuzi ngiyayibona.
Yes, that's my aunt home who's married to Baba with shoes. I see the house.
Can you comment regarding your appearances insofar as the hair and beard is concerned?
Ingabe khona yini ongakusho ke ngeinwele noma ngeintshebe yakho?
Ngifaka ikepisi la.
I'm wearing a cap there.
Namanje itsheba nayo itshetshana.
Even there I have no beard. That is just a little beard.
But do you have long hair?
What ingabe unenwele ezinde?
Ngifaka ikepisi ekhanda.
I'm wearing a cap on my head.
Mhlawumbe ngikweceleni uzokhona ukubona la emasayidini.
If I was looking on the side, I would have been able to see on the sides.
Once more, we want to show you the previous photo that we showed you. Do you have any comment regarding your appearance as far as the hair is concerned on both these photos?
Kukhona ongakusho ngendlela obukeka ngayo kuzona zombili izithombe lezi?
Namanje Nkosi enkantolo ngiyaphinda. Angeke uqhathanise izinto ezingafani. Isithombe senye date, isithombe senye date nangenyanga kuhlukene.
I repeat, my lord, you cannot compare two photos of one date, compare it to another date. Even the months are different.
Khona manje mina nje ngiqeda utshena ikhotho ukuthi ngoba ushuze lezi izithombe lezi. Ngingoba wena utshena ikhotho ukuthi na 2014 ngangenetsheba. Ngiyatshela 2014 ngangenatsheba.
I informed or I told the court that the reason why you chose these particular photos, it is because of the narrative that I had a beard in 2014, and I'm telling the court that I had no beard in 2014.
Njengoba uqhathanise izithombe ezingafani. Isithombe senye inyanga, isithombe senye inyanga. Izinto ezihlukene lezi.
Even now, you are comparing photos that are not the same, a photo of the 1 month and the photo of another month. These are different things.
But you agree that your appearance differ on these two photos?
Kodwa ingabe uyavuma yini ukuthi ke
This slide a bit. On the one photo, or on the two photos, 21747, it is depicted with the accused wearing a cap, and he says, I can't see whether I've got hair. Now he's asked to compare the hair on the photo where the hair is hidden by a cap and this photograph. That's unfair, my lord.
The witnesses said the photos are different. All that we are asking him is, when you say they are different, what do you mean? Maybe let's put it that way.
asikubuze kanjena ke uma ngabe uthi ke izithombe zihlukile usho ukuthini?
Isithombe ezihlukile vela ayifani. Nawe uyayibona phambi Nkosi enkantolo.
They are different, they are not the same. Even you yourself, you can see them before the court.
Yes, what is different?
Yini yahlukile?
Ngale ngigqoke ikepisi ngapha ngigqokile ikepisi.
On the one photo, I'm wearing a cap. Here, I'm not wearing a cap.
Ngale ngifaka ivest ngapha ngifaka ijezi.
On the other photo, I'm wearing a vest. Here, I'm wearing a jersey.
With specific reference to your hair.
Sikhuluma ngeinwele.
Zikhona inwele ngiyayibona.
They are here, I can see them.
Ngale la ngisibona ngifaka ikepisi.
On the other one, I don't see them, I'm wearing a cap.
Now, it's almost time for the show.
James